So today's video is gonna be an interesting one, guys. Trust me. That's why I named it how you can claim free internet bundle or airtime from MTN Ghana. In fact, for my viewers, my subscribers, like my members on this channel who are not in Ghana, I'm really sorry about this particular video. I don't know how this service works in other countries, right? So my my Ghana subscribers, kudos. I think you're gonna like this video, right? So today I'm going to show you how you can claim internet bundle and data from MTN actually for free. But hey, know this. I said for free, but it's not that free. Let me show you how it works before we proceed. Now, being an MTN user in Ghana, this is what they do. Once you are always using MTN for your calls, for your buying data, for testing, for browsing, everything you do, MTN, what they do is they are keeping record of it, and then they are giving you points. Maybe you don't know, but it's happening, right? A lot of people don't know this stuff. So let me put it this way. This service or this bundle you are going to claim is as a result of being a regular user on MTN. Trust me, and you are going to like the video. So MTN has been giving you points which you might not know. So I'm gonna show you how you convert these points into either airtime or data bundle. So without much ado, let's dive in. All you got to do is to enter this code star 550 hash, right? Star 550 hash. You just press your call button and then let's wait for it to load. All right, so once it loads, you have to select option 7, which says MTN rewards, right? MTN rewards. Now look at the feedback here. Welcome to MTN rewards. Accrue and redeem points when you use your number. Allow up to 48 hours for your points to be credited. So let's go to 99 for more. So you see option 1 is saying check bundle balance, and option 2 is saying redeem points. Option 3 is saying transfer points. I don't want to go there today. So now let's check our point balance, and after that I'll show you how to redeem it, right? So I'll take option 1. Okay, your request for balance check is being processed. You'll receive a notification soon. So once they are done processing, they will text a message. Okay, so you can see your loyalty balance is 1960. So if I want to convert this to either airtime or data bundle, this is what I will do. Now I'll select option 2, which says redeem. So what do I want to redeem it for? Is it airtime or data bundle? Okay, any of them you choose depending on your choice, right? So let me choose. Let's say I want to use it to buy airtime, right? This airtime is free. So if you have 500 points, you'll be getting 25 Ghana pesos, 1,000 points, 50 Ghana pesos, 2,000. It goes on and on and on. And trust me, if you have not done this before, doing it for the first time, you are going to be amazed. You'll be getting like 20 cedis upwards, guys. So I hope the video was quite educative, right? Why don't you subscribe to my channel if you have not? Guys, I love you. See you another time with another incredible video. So let me use my own 1,000 points. Let me use it for 50 pesos. Okay, your request for redemption is being processed. Blah 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 blah. Let me see. Okay, it has not been processed yet. I would have received notification here. All right, see you another time with another incredible video. So go out there and utilize this opportunity you have on MTN. Bye bye.